We'd basically come in, if he has an assignment for us on Amatrol, which is a website that we use to learn how to use stuff like this back here. We'll sit down and do that. The favorite thing we've done so far is probably the Industrial Plastics Center. I just think it's cool that you can make a mold out of plastic just by melting it and then pressing it into a mold. We learned how to use dial calipers and micrometers to measure very fine points of pieces of metal. And in the other classes that you take, you learn how to use pneumatic systems and hydraulic systems, as well as learn how to hook up a circuit.